Moms have to know and track a lot while coordinating family schedules, cooking meals, keeping appointments, helping with kids' school projects, planning travel and celebrations, cleaning the home, and spending money wisely. A mom needs a planner so she can balance and prioritize all her family's long to-do lists and responsibilities. But not just any planner. If she has a digital planner on her tablet that syncs to her smartphone, she's always got the plans of her family's full life at her fingertips, everywhere she goes. I'm so excited to show you our 2022 Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. It's a digital planner designed with mothers in mind that runs from January to December 2022. So let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Momma from Blessing by Design. I want to show you the great design and easy to use features of our Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. In this video, I'll be showing you some examples of how you can use this planner in your daily life for scheduling, brainstorming, and creating fun projects. I'm using an iPad Pro on the GoodNotes 5 app with an Apple Pencil. I hope you enjoy the video and I earn a like and a channel subscription from you. Please comment with thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. As you can see, this planner has a beautiful soft seasonal color palette and simple botanical graphics. It comes with 173 original pages that are full of month plan dashboards, monthly and weekly calendars, and templates. Tons of templates. 28 pre-designed templates come with this planner. Think of your digital planner as a super upgraded paper planner that can be full of as many pages as you need with easy access to all of your plans. The most frequently used icons are here at the top of your planner page. This planner has a Today button where moms can store those daily family schedules and refer to them easily. There are 2 daily schedule templates included in the planner. They both allow for scheduling multiple family members by writing their names or initials on this left side. Here's an example of using a color code system so that each person has their own color and using one color for when it's for everyone in the family. We also have 15 create your own blank template pages for all the categories of this planner. So if one of our pre-designed templates isn't quite right for you, you can use the tools in your app for laying out a new template. This question icon might be where you want to start when your planner is new. If you're new to digital planning, you'll appreciate all that we've done with this planner to help you get started and to really help you get to know this planner so you can use it more efficiently. We have this linked index that helps you learn how the planner is organized. Pages with answers to frequently asked questions, icon and tab labels, and step-by-step instructions for adding and labeling pages, as well as a link to our YouTube channel. This planner also has navigation hints on lots of the pages that will help you speed through your new planner. You can tap the year icon to access all the calendars. Or these month tabs along the right-hand side are another way to access each month. Tap a month tab and you'll land on a motivational verse for the month. Swipe left for that month's dashboard. Swipe left again for that month's grid overview. Continue swiping through all that month's weeks at a glance. Notice also that when you are within a month, the side tab is highlighted. On any month's week at a glance page, there are also links at the top which would take you back to that month's grid calendar. From the grid, I can tap any date and go back to a week. And then I can jump back to that month's dashboard page with the quick link at the top. The gray category tabs are your access to category sections, where you can store pages that pertain to that category. We've got meals, budget, wellness, make, home, celebrate, go places, notes, and future categories. Note that on each category landing page, you'll also have access to that category's pre-designed templates, or you can make your own template for that category. Let me stop here and show you some more ways just to use this planner. I personally love using my digital planner for my weekly grocery shopping. I created a grocery list using the grocery list template, and I use it every week. I wrote a blog about this and made a video all about weekly meal planning with this planner. I also like to use my planner for editing recipes while I'm cooking in the kitchen. I also keep a recipe planner, but this is my daily spot for jotting down notes or importing final pictures of the dish that I can later copy to my recipe and menu digital planner. I like the DIY template for making to-do lists, supply shopping lists, and for sketching the details and measurements of my projects. Here's one where I was planning the curtains for my dining room. You can use the image tool to import photos that you found for inspiration. For example, on this page here, I found some images that I liked for when we update the kitchen someday. There's always the school projects with the kids, and my second grader had to recreate an old covered wagon. A planner is great to teach the kids to be organized with their projects. There's a place to list ideas when you're brainstorming, and plenty of room to sketch a picture of the project. It's hard to predict how everyone likes to plan, so we've created lots of ways to customize this planner. We've included 4 color-coded category sections that can be filled with whatever plans you need. Maybe one for each kid, or one for work, or a special hobby. It's all up to you. And you can use the blank pages provided to fill these sections or possibly copy calendars into them. I use this section for my design work brainstorms. I simply copied a blank page and pasted it into this section so I could plan out a digital planner. Using the tools that come with the app makes it easy to create repeatable shapes. As one customer told us, you can find planner peace with this planner. We first released the Motivate Me planner in the summertime for families who like to plan for the American school calendar year that begins in August. We had requests from our international customers for a version that runs January to December. And for all of you who just prefer to plan a new year starting in January. We continue to offer both versions of this planner with updates releasing in July and December every year. Now let's go over some more features. The year icon will take you to a page that helps you see the whole year at a glance, with the US holidays listed here. I like to use the highlighter tool on my year at a glance to mark the weeks that we've got school breaks. The circle month icons are linked to the month dashboard pages. I like to use dashboards to get all of the ideas and priorities I've got swimming in my head down as lists. The bold month names are linked to the grid overview for that month. We had one mom send us her month grid. She loves filling all of her family and work plans here. She uses a color code system too. One color for work and one for each family member. We also have freebies in our newsletter from time to time, like these school stickers. We have a video about adding these stickers to your planner. Back to the year at a glance. The weeks are numbered and listed in the left column of each month, so you can tap a week number or tap on any date to go to the Monday start of that week. Other moms choose to use the weeks at a glance for more detailed information. For example, here's my week at a glance. But you can also use this left-hand column to write family member names and have everyone's plans on the week at a glance. It's great to use a digital planner because if anything needs to be moved, it's simple to select it and move it to later in the day or to another week. Bonus links on the year calendar take you to a birthday and anniversary list page that is stored in the Celebrate category section. Here's what a birthday anniversary page could look like, so you can see everyone at a glance. Or there's also a future section that has a calendar on its landing page for all of 2023, and you can store pages after this for plans that are in the works for next year. Finally, here's the extras blue plus icon, and I've been going through all of these templates, but here's where you can see all of the extra templates and pages that come with this planner and access them. There's not time to see them all in this video, but hopefully we've given you a few examples to see how great they are. There are 28 pre-designed templates, 15 make your own blank templates, as well as bonus pages with dot, line, grid patterns, and a checklist page. There's a lot of options and ability to customize your planner. Hopefully you're now feeling excited and motivated, so click the store link in the description below. Read about all that's included in this planner and get started organizing today. But be sure to have fun, relax, and enjoy this amazing journey that your family is taking together. Thanks for watching, be blessed, and have a great day.